You think you know creatine? You think it's just for building muscle? You've been dangerously misled. For decades, the most profound benefit of this common supplement has been overlooked, and it has nothing to do with your body. It's for your brain. A seismic shift in scientific understanding is unearthing a shocking truth. We've had a secret weapon against mental decline hiding in plain sight this entire time. Your brain is an insatiable energy hog, devouring an astonishing 20% of your body's total fuel. That fuel, a molecule called ATP, is the very currency of life for your cells. But as the years pass, your brain's power to generate this vital energy catastrophically declines. This isn't just about senior moments. It's a full-blown energy famine in your head. A slow, silent starvation that causes this very essence of your mind and memories to dim and fade away. Creatine's true vital purpose has been criminally overlooked. Its primary mission is to relentlessly recycle and regenerate ATP in the parts of your body with the most extreme energy demands, your muscles, and more critically, your brain. Taking it is like strapping a military-grade generator directly to your neurons, creating a crucial energy reserve. This forces your brain to operate at its highest capacity, empowering it to defy the devastating power drain of aging and stress. This isn't a fringe theory. This is a fact now being proven by an avalanche of major scientific meta-analysis. Creatine demonstrably and significantly improves memory with astonishingly powerful effects in older adults. Because it's naturally found in animal products, vegetarians and vegans whose brains can be starved of this specific nutrient, they can experience a cognitive awakening with supplementation. It also serves as a critical tool against intense mental exhaustion, whether for students during finals or anyone fighting the cognitive damage of sleep deprivation. The facts are in, and they are undeniable. We all face a universal enemy: age-related cognitive decline. We now have a solution that is safe, astonishingly cheap, and brutally effective. The conversation is no longer about whether it works. It's a call to action. Leading scientists now argue that creatine must be reclassified as an essential, non-negotiable nutrient for long-term brain health. For the vast majority, the protocol is simple and backed by overwhelming research. 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate every single day. Your brain is the command center of your entire life. Your memories, your personality, the way you think and feel. Creatine isn't just a fitness supplement. It's the fuel that your brain has been quietly begging for. We can't stop time, but we can strengthen the mind we have today and protect the one we'll need tomorrow. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this: creatine isn't a workout hack. It's a science-backed way to support your brain at any age. Whether you're 25 or 75, giving your brain more energy is always the right move. Now you know the rest of the story, but it's what you do with it that's up to you. Before you go, drop a comment below. Have you ever tried creatine? Or are you thinking about starting? I'd love to hear your experience. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you picked up some tips that you can actually use. If you want to keep learning, your next video is waiting for you right here. And hey, if I've earned it, hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow.